everyone, my name is Dani Alfitri bin Muhammad Shafi'i, and today I'm super excited to tell you about my cool project called the Sustainable Cat House. This cat house is not just comfy for cats, but also helps reduce energy use, making it good for the environment. So, let's dive in and see how we can help our furry friends and the earth at the same time. In recent years, the focus on the sustainability and the renewable energy has attended to various aspects of everyday life, including pet care. One such innovation is the development of a sustainable cat house equipped with a solar panel. This solution addresses the need for eco-friendly and energy-efficient housing for cats by harnessing solar power to regulate the internal environment of the cat house. Now, we are moving on to the problem statement. Cats, like humans, can overheat in hot conditions. So, fan helps circulate air, which can cool them down and prevent overheating. Conventional pet houses often lack sustainable design, leading to waste and increased carbon footprints. So, more eco-friendly options in pet care products are necessary to aid in conservation efforts. So, the objectives for this project are: first, is to develop a sustainable cat house powered by a solar energy. Secondly, is to promote eco-friendly pet care practices. These are the materials that we need to make this project. First, a super glue. Second, a solar panel. Third, a DC motor. Fourth, a fan. The fifth, the switch. Wood that we need to hold the fan. 8. Some boxes to make the cat house. Well, this is the final result. This project combined the solar panel technology with cardboard structure. This unique blend offers a practical and energy-efficient design that stands out from traditional pet shelters. The use of recycled cardboard not only reduces waste but also creates a biodegradable and environmentally friendly product. These are the benefits of the sustainable cat house. By using solar energy to regulate the temperature in the cat house, pet owners can save on electricity bill. Moreover, the use of solar panels and recycled cardboard reduces the need for non-renewable energy. It lowers the impact of the planet, helping to fight climate change. And with that, thank you for your attention.